You don't need a new year. You don't need a perfect plan. You need one brutal, honest day where you stop escaping your life and finally face it. Because right now, you're not stuck. You're distracted. Dopamine, comfort, scrolling, noise. It's numbing you just enough to tolerate a life you know you should change. And deep down, you feel it. So here's the deal. One day, no shortcuts, no excuses, no running, just you versus you. This is not motivation. This is confrontation. Step 1, disappear. Turn off your phone. No social media, no music, no distractions. Just silence. Because clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from hearing yourself again. Step 2, face the mirror. Look into your eyes and ask, where am I lying in my own life? Not once. Not casually. Ask until it hurts. Because the answer you avoid is the life you're living. Step 3, cut the dead weight. Write down what's draining you, what's distracting you, who you're pretending to be. Then destroy the page. Rip it, burn it, throw it away. This is the moment you decide. You're done carrying your oldie. Step 4, the reset hour. 60 minutes, no breaks. 20 minutes, push your body 20 minutes, empty your mind on paper. 20 minutes, sit in silence. No music, no validation, just discipline. This is where control comes back. Step 5, earn your respect. At night, stand in front of the mirror again. No questions this time. Just say, I didn't run today. And mean it. You don't need to change your whole life. You need one day where you stop betraying yourself, because one real day can break months of fake living. So don't save this. Don't scroll. Do it. Today.